Looking for a short yet thrilling escape from Bangalore? Welcome to the rugged trails of Kabbaladurga, a hidden gem tucked away in Karnataka's rocky landscape. From steep climbs to panoramic views, this trek has everything a weekend explorer dreams of. Hi friends, good morning. It's me Ashraf. Welcome back to Folks on Wheels, yet another trekking adventure. As I said in the intro, now you know where we are heading today. Yes, it's to Kabbaladurga. Right now the time is around 5:45 a.m. We started early from Bangalore, around 4 o'clock. It's about 82 kilometers via the nice road. We took roughly 1 hour 45 minutes to reach here, including a 15-minute tea break. So around 1.5 hours of proper travel time to reach the base of the trek. This hill fort located near Ramanagara, close to a small village called Kabalu. Reaching here is quite easy. If you're coming by your own vehicle, just put Kabbaladurga Trek Start Point on Google Maps. I've pinned the exact location in the video description. You can check that out. If you're coming by bus, take one from Bangalore to Kanakapura. And from there, you can catch a local auto to Kabalu village. This is the Google Map location. You can see the parking space there. There's one party hall called Gopalagowda Party Hall. I have pinned this location in video description. You can park your vehicle here. From here, just walk beside the hall. It will connect you to the trekking trail. Trek is around 1.4 kilometers. Out of that, almost 1 kilometer is steep climb. So far, there are no restrictions for entry here. No fees, no fixed timings. I always suggest going early in the morning, just like we're doing now. The weather is pleasant, there's no heat, and if you start early, you can finish the trek before the sun gets too harsh. From here onwards, the climb becomes steep, but no worries done. There are well-carved rock steps with handrails fixed. These steps are mainly made for the devotees who are going to worship at the temple on top of the hill. Looks like these steps were made recently. Earlier, it wasn't like this. You can still see the old rock-cut steps on the left. Those were the original ones. That path was a bit tough, but this new one is super easy. Yaar, the sun is almost ready to rise. You can already see that reddish glow. The view is amazing right from the start only. Those ground fogs, they're just floating around the hills. Looks so dreamy, man. We're just hurrying to reach the top before sunrise. Oh no, steps are only till here. Construction not finished yet. They've just marked the cutting. Maybe by the time you all come, it'll be done. For now, we have to climb the rock only. Let's see how easy it is.
ನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಅದು ನಿಕ್ಕಟ್ಟು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಕ್ നടந்தവ ಅಲ್ಲ இப்படி இப்படி முன்ன அப்படி 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 வா கை கை குட்டி குத்தி குத்தி வா எஸ் சின்ன சின்ன ஸ்டெப்பு போடு சன்ரைஸ் ஆகிட்டு இருக்கு. இந்த சைடு வா.
We haven't reached the top yet, but the view from here itself is just amazing. So we took a small break to enjoy the sunrise and the beautiful surroundings. Seriously, guys, it's just too good. We didn't expect this kind of fog and scenery in April. Just take a moment and enjoy nature. It's totally worth it. Friends, this is the morning vibe here. Seriously, the views are just amazing. I don't know how much I've captured on camera, but in real life, it's unforgettable. If you're planning your trek, try to go early morning. I always do that in my treks. But yeah, totally your choice. We were halfway up when the sun rose, so now we're heading toward the top. I think we've covered about half the trail. Just look at the sun rays behind me, yaar, so beautiful. There are many such viewpoints like this on the way. The trek is actually not difficult at all. Wherever needed, proper steps are carved in the rocks. Of course, you need a bit of stamina because it's a steep climb. The whole 1 kilometer is uphill only. From the parking to the base of the hill, it's around 400 meters. So total one-side distance is 1.4 kilometers. Usually 30 to 40 minutes is enough to climb. But during the rainy season, the rocks become slippery, so I won't recommend going then. Of course, the view during rains is just amazing, full greenery all around. But if you still want to go, take proper precautions, okay? We are almost reaching. There are some monkeys around, but they seem very friendly. They're just sitting and watching us. This is the way to Kabbaladurga temple. Many devotees from the village and nearby areas come here to worship. After the puja and all, people usually feed the monkeys so they know they'll get food anyway. If possible, bring some fruits to feed them. But one thing I noticed, there's a lot of garbage along the path. Water bottles, biscuit packets, and all that. People really should avoid throwing waste here. I know you guys won't do that, but still, we have to protect our nature for future generations. This is the entry point to the hilltop. And do you know, this Kabbaladurga is actually a historic hill fort. Okay, I'll tell you a little bit of history. This fort is from the medieval times and used to be quite important for the kings who ruled southern Karnataka. People say even Kempegowda, the founder of Bangalore, might have used this fort during his time, though there is not much solid proof. Later in the 18th century, Tipu Sultan, the ruler of Mysore, took control of it. He is said to have used this place as a jail for his enemies and those who went against him. After Tipu Sultan was defeated by the British in 1799, the fort slowly lost importance and started crumbling over time. Nowadays, Kabbaladurga is quite popular for trekking, especially night treks. Adventurous people love the rocky trails, the stunning views, and exploring the old fort walls, watchtowers, and the small temple for Kabbalama on top. There's a special vibe here, like a mix of history and mystery, because of all the local stories and legends people still talk about. This is the Kabbaladurga temple. It usually stays closed. There's no daily puja here. It opens only on Sundays and some special days, as per the local people. Yeah, today is Sunday and it's just 7:15 now, so maybe it will open soon. The views from here are truly amazing. There's a special divine vibe. Nature and spirituality come together beautifully. So, friends, this all the views from the top of Kabbaladurga. There are two temples, some old fort ruins, a small lake, and really amazing views all around. Totally worth the visit. You must try it at least once. We spent a good amount of time here, almost 1 hour. After us, many visitors started coming. Not just trekkers, even families with elderly people and kids also made it to the top and were enjoying the nature. Now we're heading back. Climbing down is always a bit tricky. It may look easy, but be careful, especially on the steep rock sections. Alright, friends, time to wind up this video. If you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comments. If I know the answer, I'll definitely reply. And yeah, our journey doesn't end here. Next week, we're going to another destination, so stay tuned. If you feel this video is worth sharing with your friends, please do. And I've already posted many more short destination videos on the channel, all within 100 kilometers around Bangalore. If you've already visited this place, there are other options too. So do check out the channel. Okay then, see you in the next adventure. Until then, take care everyone.